Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. A very happy day to everybody out there watching. Today I want to sit down and I want to do some holiday hair. It is the holiday. I was asked to do a holiday hair tutorial video. My hair is fine. It is, I have health issues right now, so it's kind of on the thinner side. It is flat and limp today, but we are going to fix that. I am going to try to do something that you can do with any kind of hair or any length of hair. Try to make it really, really easy. Try my best to explain what I am doing, and it's going to be very, very simple and quick. So if you're interested in some quick, easy holiday hair, go ahead, stay tuned. We're going to jump into the video. Okay, some things that you are going to need is some kind of mirror. Mine is very dirty and it's broken. It was like a handheld mirror, but anyways, a mirror so that you can see the back of your head. Obviously, I have a big mirror like in front of me, so we were in the bathroom. I am going to use my flat iron here. This is this Ultra Bombshell, I think. I'll have it listed down below in case you're curious. You're also going to want some bobby pins here, ones that lock together, whatever color for your hair, or if you want them colored, whichever. And I'm also going to use dry shampoo and then a hairspray or a hair hold of any kind. I prefer a texture spray. I'm also going to use a teasing brush today. I think this is just very, very simple, very, very easy, quick, hopefully beginner friendly. I tried to think of something that was very, very easy, but something that's very beautiful to do. You don't have to do anything as far as curling your hair. I just like to, because my hair is very fine, thin, and straight, and so it's very limp, so I do like to add a little bit of texture. I did blow dry my hair with like a heat protectant, so I already have heat protectant in my hair, so if you don't have heat protectant, you're definitely going to want to do that. Not in any kind of precise way. You can do this, again, with straight hair, or if you want to use a curling iron and get more curl. I'm just kind of adding a little bit of texture, something kind of quick and easy, but I've done it with and without, and it's very pretty. So I'm just going to take like half of the side of my hair here, and I'm just going to do very big kind of beach waves, but everything in the front here, closest to my face, I'm going to start away from my face. And I'm just gonna curl it all the way. Just bend it and go. But because I don't want all of it to kind of flow together, I'm going to now do this one the opposite way. So this one's going to be towards my face. Just so that when I run my fingers through it, it won't all... Hopefully that makes sense. Like, it's not all gonna wave together. It is really pretty to do with that sometimes, but that's not what I want to do for today. And then I'm gonna let the top down here. Again, this isn't anything precise. This is just to get some kind of texture in my hair. The same thing. And I'm grabbing, bigger chunks than you would if you were to, I feel like, leave it down. If you're going to use a straightener to do this, make sure that your plate is rounded, because you don't want it to kind of pull on your hair. And it just gives a better wave, but so much better. It looks like there's a lot more hair there than what there really is at the moment. But this is all I'm going to do. I'm going to finish the rest of my hair and we're going to be right back. Okay, now that I have some texture in my hair, it's not perfect. It's not going to be, but that's okay. I'm just going to mess it up and kind of shake it around anyways. I am going to do some dry shampoo really quick. This is just my thing because it does give my hair some good volume. It also gives it a little bit of grip when I go in to tease it a little bit. Then I'm just going to kind of toss my hair now that like all of the texture, I'm not going to call it curls or anything, just the texture is kind of settled in. And I'm going to take probably half of my hair and just tease a little bit on the bottom. In case you were wondering how to tease, you go in and down like a circle. Don't ever go up and down. That's going to rip your hair. But if you just go in and then you pull out, it's going to give you the big lift very quickly. And it's also easier to brush out. Again, less breakage that way as well. I'm going to go around my whole head and add texture and lift where I need it. basically lift, which I need a lot of it at the moment. This is just, again, very, very fast, but very kind of simple. I am going to work with the side. With my hair usually naturally parts with a very far parts. You could do this parted however you like it, but this is how I like my hair parted. Looking in the viewfinder, just my hair looks super crazy. But anyways, I'm going to take, so here's my part. I'm going to take probably like a good chunk of a triangle here. And I'm just going to pin this over to the side, like so. With the rest of my hair here, I'm going to go ahead and like barrel twist it, not too tight. You could, again, this is also something you could alter, but do it as tight or as loose as you like. I'm going to do mine somewhat loose. You just turn it, and then you pick up a little bit more, and then kind of turn it in. I'm trying to only grab from the bottom here, and turning it as tight or as loose as you'd like. And I'm going to go till maybe, yeah, that just almost to the back of my base of my neck here. I'm going to grab one more actually right there. And then I'm going to start with the bobby pins. And I'm going to, that last little loop that I pulled in, that hair, that's what I'm going to secure down first. Make sure that you don't let go of your hair because that bobby pin is not secure. You have to lock it in. So grabbing another one to lock that in, not moving my hands at all. Make sure that bobby pin is locked. And I prefer to do 3 pins to lock in. And I'm going to come up from the bottom with this one. Okay, now we could let go, but I still don't want to. Okay, my hair is very fine, and I like to make sure that it is secure. So I'm going to add a couple more bobby pins in here just to secure it until I feel comfortable. Okay, so now that we have this little triangle piece, let's pin this in. The reason why I didn't pull this back initially with a twist is because I wanted to kind of just give it the undone kind of feel. And I prefer to do it this way. I'm not sure if I'm making any sense, but anyways, I'm just going to pull it, and you can use a mirror or have a helper to see where you want it. I do want it to hang over right there, I think. And then I have my bobby pin here. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck that in. Okay, now I want to finish this side of my hair. You could absolutely leave it like this, but I do tend to like all of my hair kind of pulled back, and because my hair is a little bit shorter, I do want to pull this back as well. Okay, I'm going to section this chunk of hair off here. Again, it's about a triangle. And then this section, you can see that it's just kind of curving it like this. I'm just going to pinch it right here and kind of push up because it's already teased a little bit there. And I have my bobby pin here. And I'm just going to pin right behind my ear here. And again, grabbing another one, making sure that the hair is still kind of fluffed there. And locking that pin in, and a third one just to be sure. Okay, because I do want to leave a little bit hanging down, I am going to take about half of what we did pull out, and I'm going to twist it. Sorry, I'm trying to look in the mirror as well as do this. You're going to twist it, but then just grab a piece. Does that make sense? So I have your hair down like this. You're just going to grab the section, twist it, whichever way the curl is going, and then just grab a piece of hair. That was too many twists. There we go. I just want it like the underneath of a curl to kind of hang, and then I'm going to take another bobby pin, and I'm going to secure this. Okay, that one almost covered all of the bobby pin nest that we have here. So I'm going to take some of these loose curls, sorry, and just kind of move them in front of the bobby pins there. And then I will hairspray that so that way you don't get to see any of the bobby pins that we do kind of have left there. But this is the finished look right here. It's a very, very pretty. It's every day at the same time, like it's not. And I really like this hairdo because I feel like it's almost floating. It's just like that moment caught in time as the wind is like blowing my hair off to the side. This is something that I can do with my long hair when it is long. So you can absolutely do this with whatever length of hair that you have, but I really, really like this. I don't like my ears covered or shown out, so if you wanted to pull this above your ear, you could. This hairstyle is very, very subjective as to how you like to do your hair, but I do really, really like this. I like how it just kind of, like I said, it just blows all over to the side, and you don't see anything over here. It just looks so simple. And it's effortless, but like glam effortless. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. I tried to pick something that was super pretty, super easy, very beginner friendly. So thank you, Lacey, for suggesting this. Hopefully this does help you out this holiday season. If you like this look, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.